Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Roosevelt Elementary in Keego Harbor, Michigan, and just a beautiful time. We're outside the gym here, and it was an awesome day of sharing my heart, really spreading a message of kindness, peace, love, understanding, and the main focus was on bullying, but the underlying theme being to look at the heart first, that we see someone like we see our own best friend, and if we're able to let this love and peace, respect, compassion fully enter our heart as big as our fist, we can turn this into this. You'll see the Choose Kindness banner above me here, and I reference this throughout my assembly because we, at the end of the day, have the choice to choose kindness, to choose love, and that we can turn us many times that are hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. To be the light to someone's heart, help them see that they're all true miracles. One of the things I always talk about are the M etched on our palms, M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, just like it says on the shirt here on the front. On the back side is worthy that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. We all deserve love. We're all beautiful miracles. And like the line of students that talked to me after my program, some were in tears, but the whole idea was that a lot of times, they felt that maybe they weren't loved, or that people have said things that they believe that deep down were lies, and now they understand they don't take it personal, that those are people's opinions. Not every opinion matters. What matters is what they believe, and that they can choose to turn some of that pain into greatness, right? So all the stories I shared, the video clips, the hip hop, everything that we went through was all designed to really focus on the heart, to see someone as a human being before anything else. No matter how we're born, if we walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, we can still choose kindness. And a couple students said that they want to already start a club here at the school to focus on peace, to focus on kindness. And heading back to that sign where we started the video, the pack here, the proud Huskies, home of the Huskies here at Roosevelt, the K, part of that acronym is kindness. So keep sharing your heart, keep spreading that love. You guys all have this opportunity and the potential to change the world, even at a young age. As always, make sure to hit the notification bell you'll see pop up on the screen here, the subscribe button too, to stay updated on future videos like this one. Amazing playlist of video clips too that you can see about our journey across this country as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time, as well as the calendar for upcoming speaking events, and that's on mrpeace.org there too. Much love, peace.